Ready?
Going.
All right, I got my Norinco Homeland Defender. We're gonna put from 20 feet away, one in the target, see what kind of pattern we get. And then I've got 4 rounds in here, and then we're gonna just finish her off after we check out the target. All right, let's take a look. That's not bad. Got a little too close with my face. A little to the right, but not bad. This is my dad shooting the 7mm. It's gonna be loud. All right.
Okay, that was a good shot. Now where was it?
All right. Does it kick much, like in the face?
No, it doesn't. Just
You have to pull it to safety? Is there?
No, you're fine. There's no
Okay.
safety on it.
All right, so here's.
Pull it into your shoulder, real
Yeah.
straight, and you're fine. It doesn't.
Okay.
It doesn't kick hardly at all.
All right, here's me. Oh yeah, that's a good shot you got there. See where it is?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna see if I can get this in that center ring. All right. Just below it. And I've got my lever or lever action, however you want to say it, US Canada. And this is my Henry 22. I've got a bunch of 22 longs in here. I think about 15 or 16 rounds, something like that. We're just going to shoot some of these bottles off in the distance. All right, here we go. Hopefully I'm sighted in. Hitting them. That one missed. Nailing them. It's dead on. And that's it. Into the ditch. See if we can see them here. They're gone.
Yeah, they probably went through that way.
Up and over. They were here. Just see how they just disappear like that? Just 1 second. Oh, there they are up on the hill. There they are. Hi, dear. Right up top. I see you. It's like, yeah, what are you gonna do about it? That's kind of cool.
Yeah.
At least we saw something.